Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways people try to build a second source of income online. Today, many working professionals are exploring ways to create income beyond their regular salary. But when beginners start researching it, things can quickly become confusing. You see different platforms, different strategies, and hundreds of videos claiming you can make money very quickly. Some people say you should start a blog. Others say you should focus on YouTube, and some say social media is the fastest way. When you start hearing all these options, it becomes difficult to understand which path actually makes sense for a beginner. So the big questions becomes, where should a beginner actually start? In this video, I am going to show you a simple beginner roadmap for affiliate marketing, a step-by-step structure that helps you understand how to start from zero and build gradually. One of the biggest challenges beginners faces is information overload. When you search for affiliate marketing online, you find thousands of tutorials and strategies. Each one explains a different method. Some people talk about paid ads, some focus on blogging, others recommend YouTube automation, and many suggest using social media. The problem is not that these strategies are wrong. The problem is that beginners often try to do all of them at the same time. When that happens, it quickly becomes overwhelming. And instead of making progress, many beginners feel stuck because they are not sure what to focus on first. This is why having a simple roadmap becomes extremely helpful. So in this video, I want to simplify things. Instead of complicated strategies, we will look at a simple 5-step roadmap. This roadmap will help you understand how to start affiliate marketing, what beginners should focus on first, and how to build your first online income step by step. Once you understand these 5 steps, affiliate marketing becomes much easier to approach. Before we go into the steps, it's important to set the right expectations. Affiliate marketing is not quick money. Many beginners start with the expectations that they will make money within a few weeks. But in reality, affiliate marketing works more like building a long-term system. First, you create helpful content, then people discover your content. Over time, they start to trust your recommendations, and eventually, some of them buy through your affiliate links. This process may take time in the beginning, but once it starts working, it can become a very powerful model. Another important thing to understand that affiliate marketing is a skill. It's not something people master immediately. Just like sales, marketing, or even communication. It's something that improves with practice. When you first start your content, it may not be perfect. Your first few videos might not get many views, and that's completely normal in the beginning. What really matters is the process of creating and improving. Every time you make a video, write a post, or explain something to your audience, you start learning what works and what doesn't. And over time, those small improvements begin to add up. That's usually how progress happens in the early stages of affiliate marketing. Now let's look at the beginner's roadmap. These are 5 simple steps that help you start affiliate marketing the right way. You don't need complicated systems. You just need a clear process that you follow consistently. Once you understand this roadmap, everything else becomes much easier to organize. The first step is choosing a niche. A niche simply means the topic you want your content to focus on. It could be something like finance, productivity, technology, or even fitness. When you choose a niche, you start attracting a specific type of people who are interested in that particular topic. Instead of creating random content about many different things, you are creating content that helps solve problems for a specific group of people. And that makes it much easier for viewers to understand what your channel is about. It also makes it easier for them to trust your recommendations. Another advantage of choosing a niche is that it helps you stay focused when creating content. Many beginners try to talk about too many topics at the same time. And when that happens, the audience often get confused. But when your content consistently revolves around one topic, people begin to recognize your channel as a place where they can learn about that subject. Over time, that consistency helps you build authority in your niche. And once you have that authority, recommending relevant products becomes much more natural. The second step is choosing a platform where you will create your content. This could be YouTube, Instagram, a blog, or even an email newsletter. When beginners start learning about affiliate marketing, they often feel the need to be present everywhere. They try YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and blogging at the same time. But this usually makes the process overwhelming. A better approach is to choose one platform first and focus on learning how that platform works. For example, YouTube works very well for long-form educational content. Instagram works better for short tips and visual content. Blogs are more text-based and often rely on search traffic. When you focus on one platform, it becomes much easier to improve your skills and stay consistent with your content. And once you feel comfortable with one platform, you can always expand to others later. The third step is creating helpful content. This is really the heart of affiliate marketing. Your content should focus on helping people solve problems or answer questions they already have. For example, you could create tutorials, product reviews, comparisons, or step-by-step guides. Content like this is valuable because it helps people make better decisions. When viewers feel that your content is genuinely helping them, they begin to trust the information you provide. And that trust is what eventually leads to affiliate sales. Instead of thinking about selling products right away, it's usually better to focus on helping people first. When your content consistently provides value, recommending products becomes a natural next step. The fourth step is promoting the right products. Once you start creating helpful content in your niche, the next step is recommending products that can actually help your audience. The key here is relevance. The products you promote should match the topic of your content and solve a real problem for the people watching your videos. For example, if your content is about online business or affiliate marketing, you might recommend tools, platforms, or courses that help beginners get started. The goal is not simply to promote as many products as possible. Instead, the goal is to recommend solutions that genuinely provide value. When people feel that your recommendations are honest and helpful, they are much more likely to trust your suggestions. And that trust is what eventually leads to affiliate sales. The final step is consistency. Affiliate marketing rarely produces results overnight. In the beginning, you may create videos or content that only a few people see, and that can sometimes feel discouraging. But consistency is what allows the process to work over time. Every piece of content you create becomes part of your growing library. As that library grows, more people begin discovering your content through search or recommendations. Gradually, your audience starts to grow, and that's when things begin to build momentum. The creators who usually succeed in affiliate marketing are not the ones who start perfectly. They are the ones who simply stay consistent long enough to improve and grow. So let's quickly recap the 5 steps roadmap. Choose a niche, choose a platform, create helpful content, promote the right products, and stay consistent. If you follow these steps patiently, you will build a strong foundation for affiliate marketing. Now I am curious to know about your stage. Where are you in your affiliate marketing journey? Are you just learning the basics? Haven't started yet? Trying but not getting sales yet? Or already earning a little? Comment below with the number that matches your stage. In the next video, I will show you the best affiliate marketing niches for beginners. Choosing the right niche can make a huge difference when you are starting. So make sure you watch that video. Thank you.